I came to treatment because I got a DUI and I didn't address it for a very long time. I wasn't even sure if I was going to, because I didn't really care if I was gonna die. I didn't think that, there was hope for me. I was just having the time of my life before I had no money, and then I was gonna jump off a cliff.
Before I used to drink to make myself feel better, it wasn't working anymore. I found myself feeling really sick all the time. Just a lot of chaos. Because in my mind, it was always, I'm never gonna stop. I used to tell my family that, I'm never gonna stop. There's been times in my life where I thought about giving up.
I just wanted to be able to look at the person in the mirror and say that I loved that person. And I was so far from that. I knew that I was so far from that. I realized that there is no clear path. There is no yellow brick road to self-love, but there is a journey that I went through. Today, I know that I carry myself with integrity, and I'm honest, and I'm trustworthy, and I'm reliable. And those were all things that were core values or core beliefs of mine that I really couldn't live by prior to coming in Fora.
Here at Fora Health, we believe in treating the whole person. For over 5 decades, we have risen to the challenges facing our community and met the needs of those most vulnerable. We offer exceptional addiction treatment, including withdrawal management, residential, and outpatient programs. Recovery is not a fairy tale kind of magic. It is human magic. Despair turns into hope, isolation into connection, and wounds into wisdom. Real magic is often found in the small things. The first night of true, restful sleep, a conversation with someone who sees the real you, the ability to keep a promise to yourself.
Having the opportunity to have all these services within one facility gave me the opportunity that sometimes I was unwilling to do myself. The staff here is special. Everyone showed me that I was worthy before I felt worthy myself.
When I came to Fora, I was 2 months pregnant. I was in here, and then I saw my stomach grow, and then I had a moment where I was like, literally nothing else matters. A lot of people who tend to have addictions tend to isolate themselves, and then they forget how to be with themselves. It's like being like a brick wall, and then by myself I could only move one of the bricks and I could barely see it through. But if you come here, you can just 3 months just break down the wall, the whole wall.
The magic in recovery was peace. It's something that I had never found in drugs or alcohol. I truly believe that everything happens for a reason. We're meant to be somewhere to say something, or just hear somebody. And I don't want to miss that opportunity, because sometimes it could be the difference between life and death. 3 words that describe my life now. One of them would definitely be purpose, peace, hope. I couldn't ask for anything more.
Having the opportunity to have a graduation speech in front of everyone, from the staff to my counselors to my peers, to share my gratitude for my experience to everyone at once. I think that there's a lot of magical moments, but that moment really stood out for me.
Recovery from addiction often feels like a kind of quiet magic, not because it's easy or sudden, but because of how deeply it transforms a person's life in ways that sometimes feel impossible at the beginning. We are a center of hope, transformation, and new beginnings.